Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about mainly slimmer GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and 4070 Super Gallardo series. So friends, mainly each staying true to its signature green design theme for its latest Gallardo series. For those unfamiliar with the brand, mainly primarily sell in Asian and European markets and is known for offering budget-friendly option, and their graphics card are often favored by systems integrated like Sycom for further customization. This latest update focuses on the Gallardo series, which sits at the top tier of Manli's lineup, and this series typically features a more premium design, sometimes with factory overclocking. It's now worth noting that neither the RTX 4070 Super nor the RTX 4070 Ti Super in their series come overclock, and brand mainly has introduced the RTX 4070 Ti Super Gallardo already. The new version marks the second revision, featuring an entirely different aesthetic compared to its predecessor, and the most important change is that no longer is a 3.5 slot design but a much slimmer 2 slot version. Just a quick recap on RTX 4070 Ti Super and its non-Ti counterpart. The main difference lies that GPU configuration, and the Ti version is powered by 8103 GPU and 8444 quad cores, while the non-Ti version has 7168 cores. In terms of memory, the Ti Super packs 16 GB of GDDR6X, while the non-Ti version settles for 12 GB. And friend, both models has a similar design, featuring a triple fan cooler setup and measuring 31.5 by 12 by 4.2 cm in size. There are variations in power consumptions. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.